everyone, welcome to NTD channel. Listen today how to quick copy and smooth object in the AutoCAD version 2018. Okay, I have objects now. Very simple. The first you select object, and then hold right mouse button, and then you let go. You have a option move here, copy here. You select move here. Okay, very simple. Now we practice again. Select object, right click, and hold on right mouse button. Let's go. Select copy here. Okay, very easy. Okay, again, practice again. Select object, right click, move. Another here. Select move here option. Okay, very easy, very simple. You can practice every days. Okay, listen today to the end. If this video is helpful, you can subscribe, like, and share this video to everyone. Thank you so much.